Hey guys, welcome back, and this is our Lego Wednesday. I'm not sure we're gonna keep that name anymore, depending on which way the channel goes. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I'm gonna get back in the groove. So, today, for our Lego Wednesday video, I am showing you how to build a mini piano. So here is our bench. It's just super simple. And then here is our piano. Super cute. They're more or less minifigure scale. And, alright, let's get to it. Since this is a two-piece build, the piano and the bench, I'm going to show you how to build the bench first because it's the least pieces, so on and so forth. Alright, so you're going to want your, it's a 2x4 flat plate, so it doesn't have any of the studs on top. And you're going to want two 2x1 bricks, and then you're just going to snap the 2x1 brick onto the 2x4 flat plate, so it looks like that. And you're going to do it with the other side too. And then boom, your bench. Alright, let's move on to the piano. Okay, so here's a view of the bricks you'll need. Super simple build, because normally I use a lot of different colored bricks, but today it's just a lot of black and a little bit of white. Alright, let's get into this. So to start, you're going to take your 4x6 black plate, you're going to snap your 2x6 brick on in the middle. So and then we're going to put our white keys or a white 1x6 flat plate on, and it's already starting to come together because you can see the keys. Alright. So, then, after this, you're going to add a 2x4 brick and a 2x2 brick. If you have another 2x6 black brick, that will work also. I just don't have another one, so we're going to go with that. Okay, after that, we're going to add the legs. So we are going to add one of these 1x4 black plates, snap it on there. See what I did there? I just put it on right there. It's kind of hard to see what's going on with all this black on black, so we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. You caught up with me? Okay. So, then, we're going to work on our leg here. So, we've got another one of these black 1x2 pieces, and we've got this kind of a funny 1x2 plate, and it's got this kind of lip protruding from it. So, it kind of looks almost like a gutter. That's kind of what it looks like. So, we're going to snap that funny piece on the bottom. Okay, so then we're going to set that off to the side over here. And then, here's our main build. So, we're going to kind of work on the top now, and we're going to put one of these 1x1 round studs right here. So, I put it right there. I'm going to put another one right here. Then, I'm going to put my round 1x1 on right here. So, I snapped it in between there. Okay. Then, after this, I'm going to put the lid on. So, I couldn't find a very good way to get it on, and it's super, kind of tricky, and it's not good building technique. So, I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to do it at the end of the video, or at the end of building, so I can show you how to do it correctly. Okay, so then we're going to put our legs, 1x1 bricks on, here, and here. Then we're going to snap our kind of foot pedals right on here, right there. So it's also a support for the piano. And then we're going to take, we're going to put this here, like so. So we just put our 2x, actually no, we're supposed to do this. We're going to put it here, and then we're going to put this here to make it flat. Because I couldn't, if you have a 5x6 plate, that would work better, but I don't. So then, now we're going to build the back leg. We're just using another one of those 2x1 black bricks, and we're going to use some more of those studs. Ah, it fell! So we're gonna snap that on there. And then we're gonna get this one here. And then we're gonna snap that on the back right here. So that'll keep your piano from falling over. And now, the trickiest part. So, you've got this kind of funny triangle piece. I really like the way it looks. It's a 6x3 plate, but it's kind of chopped in half almost. So it's this kind of triangle-y piece. I think they're super neat. But we're going to take these first two bits right here, one here and here. We're going to put them right on these two studs. And then we're going to get it right there. And then it's going to kind of support on this support thing I put on. Come on. So this, like I said again, this is not proper building technique. And you're just kind of barely resting it on there. But make sure you do it right, otherwise it'll fall off. You don't want it to fall off. This is really sturdy. I mean, until you like flick it off. But it won't fall off unless you really try and make it to. So that is the piano. Now let me show you how a minifig sits in it. So here is the minifig I've chosen. He's kind of got a suit. He looks pretty nice. He could be a piano player at wherever. So I'm going to sit him down. I'm going to put him on the bench. If you don't like the way he sits on the smooth piece, you can substitute it for a 2x4 normal plate. And ta-da, he's playing the piano. Alright, if you want to see more Lego building videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.